Hi everyone, hi my beautiful people. Greetings again from Atomy Achievement Center here in Kent, United Kingdom. I've got a lovely client here. We've been chatting all day, okay? Now we're about to start our facials with our popular bestseller evening care set, okay? It's made up of four amazing pieces. The deep cleanser, foam cleanser, peeling gel, and the peel off mask. Okay, so join us as we do our facials. And if you're in the Kent area, please feel free to join us.
I have plenty of
Come
friends
for your
in Kent,
facials.
in Chatham, in Gillingham, in Heathcorn,
We put this down so we get a bit
Margate. I have friends.
more. Yeah, we get a bit more shade. All right.
And Foxton.
Oh,
Oh,
dear.
if
Wow.
we meet before the festival last Sunday, I dress up with our flag. I made
Wow.
and many appreciate it.
Wow.
Because they let me dress up. I display it to say. But they
Yeah.
said, you wear it. I will interview you, but the MC forgot.
Yeah.
I was
As is typical
disappointed.
of this face routine, we always start with the deep cleanser, okay? As the name implies, it's a deep cleanser. It really goes into the layers of skin to actually extract dirt, okay? That we've picked up in the course of our everyday activity. Sorry, big cold, but it does the
That's
job.
all right. I love it.
Yeah, but it does the job.
Over 10 years, I have no facial.
Really?
Yes, I don't. I just massage it by myself.
Oh dear.
Clean,
Oh dear.
clean the normal cleaning tissue.
Yeah, which
Cleansing, yeah.
which we all do, you know.
Yeah.
Careful.
Sometimes I put powder, sometimes no. Just
Wow.
only moisturizer.
Wow.
Sometimes I put makeup when I go to the party. Simple.
Yeah.
I have no lipstick now. No, natural beauty I have now.
Yeah.
Old.
A lot of people don't know the importance of doing facials, but it's very important to do facials to get it at least once a while, get your face thoroughly cleansed, you know, and try
Every
to
month, I think.
yeah,
Or every
yeah,
3
try
months.
to exfoliate the dead skin cells because we have dead skin on our face, not just our face, all of our body. We have dead skin cells. You know, just like snakes, they shed their skin. We have dead skin that we need to shed off, that we need to take off. So
Like our dress.
yeah.
You change.
She-
Different style.
She's been making me laugh all day, you know. She's such a funny lady. She makes me-
Noisy and funny.
Oh my
Minnie
God.
don't like my noise,
Yeah,
but
she-
Minnie loves me as well.
Oh my God.
Balance. You know, battery without negative and positive will not power. That's me.
Yeah.
I love negatives.
Yeah.
I love people who hates me.
Oh dear.
Because it makes me strong
Yeah.
of the challenges. I laugh at them. Instead of hating them, I laugh and pray.
Yeah.
Guide them, Lord, to change their attitude.
Yeah.
I pray for them.
Oh dear. Oh.
I will have a glance later
Yeah.
before I leave.
It's nice you're having this because you're gonna
Have a holiday.
yeah.
I will be
traveling.
beautiful there and look
Yeah.
16 years old instead
You're
of
traveling.
about 68. When I look here, 16 years old, I might find another husband.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking for a
Why
second
not?
husband.
Why
Is there
not?
any billionaire girl listening?
Why not?
I am free. I want billionaire who will love me forever.
We all want billionaires, don't we? I want a trillionaire. If there's
My
anything
husband
like
is
that.
big and old. He is useless now.
Oh my God.
That's why I'm looking for another one.
Oh my God.
I told her, you're useless. I will look for another one. She said, you know what you want? I said, is that what you want? All right.
I don't think I'm gonna get this facial done. This lady is just, oh my days. Oh, I can't stop laughing. Oh dear.
Is that what you want? It's easy.
Just go
If
for
I
it.
have money, if you die, I will have big insurance. I will use my insurance for buying boys.
Oh my God. Oh.
Sorry, I'm so silly. You will not stop laughing in front
I'm
of
telling
me.
you, I'm not gonna stop laughing today.
You know, I do
I've
cutting
laughed
before.
my heart out today. She is.
I do my cutting in my dressmaking. Chut, 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 chut. My friend surrounds me. My admirers before send cakes, send juices, and my workers are happy to eat. We eat together and laugh and laugh. This is blessings. We have to accept it and eat and enjoy it. And my admirers keep sending. Because I'm already over 30, still many admirers.
Yeah.
Because I told them,
But you
Just-
look good. You actually look good. Trust me.
if I have not
I
got ill
have-
and depressed, you know, I'm still young. But I was depressed for about 7 years.
Yeah, but you've come out of
I
it
did that
now.
what? Now I come out.
And you've
Last
done-
March started.
And you've
I
done
voice
well.
out everything I keep
Yeah.
in my heart.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
found out my daughter LGBT.
Yeah.
She has a nice job. I thought, oh my God, I could not accept it, and I was.
Yeah.
I take it because January she told me that she don't like voice.
Yeah.
I had a coma.
Well, you
June,
done- you
6
done
months
so well.
of keeping to myself. I
Yeah.
cannot voice out. I'm
Yeah.
ashamed.
Yeah.
I thought, oh my goodness,
Yeah.
what will I do?
Yeah.
So, then, you know, last
We're just dabbing now with after the deep cleanser.
Last March.
Dabbing up with water and then tissue, and then I'm just gonna apply the foam cleanser, which is this, okay, to give us a deeper cleanse. All right.
Last March, my husband surprised me of a holiday in the Philippines because I have no holiday since 2017.
Yeah.
2 months, about 2 months. Hooray! I get up in my depression. I wish I told my daughter, I don't want
Oh
to
my days! This
waste
is one
my
hell of a
life
climb.
to you. I want to be happy and enjoy my remaining years. I'm only 67.
Oh,
Oh, I have still chance to enjoy.
Yes.
So now, here I am, enjoying my life.
Yes.
Looking for another husband.
Doing facials. Yeah.
That's why I want to be beautiful.
Yes, and you will be beautiful using our
And
plant-based
I find
organic
another,
products.
I find another husband.
Yeah. Oh dear. You will be beautiful using our plant-based organic products. Trust me.
Your clients there listening is laughing,
Oh my
are
God.
laughing, I think. What a kind of girl she is.
Oh my
Very
God.
noisy girl. And you laugh as well.
Oh my God, I've laughed so hard today. Like I've laughed so much. Oh dear.
That is me making people happy around me.
Yeah, which is good.
But
You
in
have
the
such a
house,
good
in
spirit.
the house, my husband
You
and
have
daughter
such a good
makes
spirit.
me cry. That's why I get out in the house, talk to other people, sell my cakes, which I cook, so that I can also earn while talking.
While talking, yeah.
Double income, you know.
Oh my goodness.
Make people full, make people laugh.
Yeah, yeah.
See,
Yeah.
sometimes I boil
Mm.
corn. I boil corn and sell it for 250. It's 3 for 7 pounds.
Yeah.
I bought it there.
You know you can
2 for 150 with the skin. I boil it with the skin.
you know you can also roast it. It's good. In
No.
Africa we roast it.
No, if you want to warm it,
Yeah.
roast it.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's really
You
nice.
boil it with the skin,
Yeah.
thin layer left, then you,
Yeah.
you remove the
It's
old
good,
skin.
yes.
Yeah, it's
It's
very, very nice. It's preserved the flavor.
Mm.
That is how we cook there. We also boil it or roast it or grill it.
So I'm coming from under the nose.
Yeah. I have a very big nose. That's my beauty. Flat and big nose. When they said, why you did not have a nose lift? I thought, this is my beauty.
So
I
one
don't
more?
want to destroy my natural beauty.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is what my husband's like.
Yeah.
My British husband.
Oh my God. Why not? Why not?
This is my Filipino beauty, you know. But I'm not pure Filipino. There is Malays.
Oh, you're part Filipino.
I
and
have,
part Malaysia.
My family name is
Yeah.
Cacho. That is Spanish family name because Philippines is under the rule of the Spanish 300 years over. 1500 to 1898. When
Yeah.
the greatest hero of the Philippines, they shoot him in the
Yeah.
head.
Yeah.
He stunned,
Yeah.
shoot by the, and then our three priests, kumpis, that
Yeah.
they are against the role.
Yeah.
They hang them, they kill them.
Yeah.
the Spanish
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
there. And then we have a rebellious man, a priest, another Filipino priest who is alive. He founded this Philippine Independent Church, which is
Yeah.
my church.
Wow.
Philippine Independent Catholic Church.
Wow.
The principles is like Catholic. The difference is no confession to the priest.
Yeah.
Confess to God direct.
Yeah.
The priest can marry.
Yeah.
Because we are only human being. The priest has a feeling.
Yeah.
Why? You have feeling. You have feeling. I have feeling.
Yeah.
About. You know what is that? S.
Yeah.
I will not tell the word full.
Yeah.
S. You name it.
Yeah.
In your brain. You know, they do that. Some of the priest, not all. They have relationship
So,
with women secretly.
If you notice, what I've done now is a deep cleanse. I've given her a deep cleanse, and
Oh,
I'm using.
my eyes, do you have a tissue?
Sorry,
My
and I'm
eyes
also
is
using.
hurting.
Sorry.
It's like a shampoo.
Yeah, it's like we just have a
Yeah,
bit there.
yeah, that's
You'll
normal.
be fine. Yeah.
Tapos shampoo is bitter or what you
Yeah.
call that.
You'll be fine.
That is shampoo, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, starting to remove now the dirt.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll just dab it now.
I have no,
Okay.
I did not put anything when I go out because I am in a hurry. Just
Yeah.
wash it,
Yeah.
clean it, and
Yeah.
go out.
Yeah. If you were home now, you just go on your sink into your bathroom and you just wash. Okay.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. So that makes it easier and better. You want to do this? Sorry. Let's protect that. Let me put
There's
this
a
on.
moment with my eyes.
Sorry. Wait. Let's
That's
put
all
this.
right. I know that.
Put this on it. Yeah. And then I'll dab it again.
Yeah, because my eyes is not good.
Yeah. Just is you know.
This
when-
is the eyes that is.
when you're doing
that,
this-
that's why I order you the
Yeah, it's
for the
because
eyes.
you're talking. You know, you're talking and you were opening your eyes. Normally, you close your eyes.
Because I keep laughing.
But you keep laughing, talking, and opening your eyes. Normally, you should close your
I'm
eyes.
chattable.
While I do
Because
this.
you cannot see my beauty if I close my eyes. My brown eyes.
Yeah. Normally, you're supposed to close your eyes when I'm doing all this. Yeah.
You did not told me. That's why I just open my eyes.
Sorry.
If you told me close your eyes, I close it. And then I might sleep.
But do you feel better?
Yes. I might fast asleep if I close my eyes.
Yeah, you can sleep on me. It's fine.
Really?
Yeah, I done it for, I think, a couple of days ago. You know, and she was sleeping. And I'm like, it's okay.
Well, I want to sleep.
Yeah, I said if you're sleeping, it shows it's doing the job. You know,
I am sleepy now.
your skin
Yeah.
is loving it. So if you want to sleep, feel free to sleep. I don't know how I managed to get through that.
But you might stop laughing when I stop to
No.
sleep.
Definitely. Oh, the face already feels so different. I can see
I could
it.
feel it.
Yeah, it feels so clean. My goodness.
I'm glad I came here
Oh
today.
my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's after 2 levels of really cleaning. My gosh.
Wow.
Now we're going to get the...
I feel better.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
I might pass to the Nepalis. I will sign the book I sold. I will sign that book.
That's the peeling gel.
I will sign the book.
Like the name implies, you can see it just looks like a gel, okay? Like a transparent gel, you know. So please close your eyes. We're just going to apply this. Leave it for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, we'll start to rub it so we get the dead skin cells out. So that is your face saying thank you again. Like, wow. Wow.
I feel cold there. It's lovely.
Mm.
I could feel now without finishing it yet.
Yeah. Once you've done the deep cleanser, you've done the foam
My
cleanser.
nose is plenty of white
Yeah.
blackheads. What do you call that? Hidden wealth. That is hidden wealth, isn't it?
Is that what they call it?
I call it hidden wealth,
Hidden
including
wealth.
the teeth, you know, if you
Yeah.
have dirt there.
Yeah.
Hidden wealth. Don't
Okay.
call it hidden dirt. Hidden wealth, treasure.
Mm-hmm.
You dig it, you know, and you will
Yeah.
get gold.
Yeah.
Don't say dirt. Gold, treasure,
Yeah.
hidden,
Yeah.
secret.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put a strip right under your nostrils. you. Right there. Yes.
That's good. Oh, that's good.
Okay, that's it.
I remember my facial before. They pull something there, mini, without putting just only a little bit of something. Then pull it. It's painful. I thought I will try this one. 10 years ago. I did not go back. That's why, because I feel bad. I don't know why I want to come back, to come to you.
Yeah, ours
As
is,
if there is a force pushing
Yeah.
me to come here.
yeah, ours is painless, no pain. You know, they're all plant-based as well, so it doesn't react with your
It
skin.
is good. This is what I'm looking for.
Yeah, no side effects, no skin damage, nothing. They're all plant-based organic products. So, can you open your eyes? Yeah. We can wait 3 minutes and then we start rubbing with the peeling gel. So, hi guys. Another 3 minutes and then we start rubbing with the peeling gel. Okay, we're rubbing and taking out all the dead skin cells. Okay, so we'll be back. Stay tuned.